So I guess I should have done some videos in between there. I don't even think we got any photos. If I do, you would have just seen them. I'll edit them in the front. So here's what's going on with the 69 Camaro. It's been like 4 or 5 months since we posted anything. It's finally getting too cold to play a lot of golf and not having to cut grass or do outside work. So we got to work in here. But I'll be honest, this is all Daddy here. I've been kind of busy in the house, moving stuff around. Insurance time's coming due. And you know, I have to stay on the computer then with all that. But plus I also was sick. I don't know if I had a stomach bug or COVID or whatever the last week. So we got the motor in probably last like Wednesday. And then next thing you know, Daddy's sending me pictures and he's already got all this together. So we ordered another Blueprint 400. So that means literally the 68 Camaro, this one, and the white 55 all have 400s in them. Blueprint should like send us a free, I don't know, free spark plug wires or something for all the Blueprint 400s we got. Oh, and then that's an LS Blueprint. And then our buddy that we done the other car on, Gordon, his is a 400 Blueprint that he got after seeing our video. But anyways, so we got that. We got the headers. We ordered the same front running kit. I guess we're just creatures of habit when we know we like something and it works. His radiator looks smaller than mine, but I guess maybe it's not. I don't know. I guess it's just the looks because I've got the shroud and all that stuff on mine. I'll have to go over there to my car and see. The brake booster may have been on in the last video, as well as the upper and lower control arms, the coilovers, all that. We've got a new wiring harness. Again, I don't know what I said in the last video. He's got the Muncie 4-speed in. I think that's what he put in this one. Or that T10 or whatever it is. Yeah. So Daddy don't even know I'm making this video. I walked down here, it's already dark, it's Christmas Eve. I'm downstairs messing with the golf simulator I got, and I had to come down here and get a drill. And thought, well, let's make a video. Like I said, I've been quarantined upstairs. So we have a wiring harness that came with the car that's just the front, like engine harness or whatever. We'll probably use it, that way I don't have to make all the plugs for this because we got to get it running so we can go to the paint. Now, once it's done with paint, then of course I'll rewire all the inside and the back with the wiring harness we got. We got to get gauges still, the SS gauges, all that good stuff. But yeah, like I said, I know it's been a while since we made a video. I don't really think anything has happened down here. I know I haven't messed with the cars at all. Daddy's messed with his white one some, was sanding on it and buffing some more. The Ferrari I've just driven several times. Yeah, it's all been work on the Camaro. And like I said, when the weather was nice in the fall, caught up on a lot of yard work, played a lot of golf when we had free time instead of working down here all the time. Daddy and my brother went down to Moultrie. I didn't go, the big swap meet in Moultrie, and he sold some junk. It don't look like we cleared much out, but we did. Pawpaw's blue and white 65 Chevy truck still at the Mr. Morgan's, the old painter. So he's just, you know, taking his time, which is fine with me. It's not bothering me any. I don't even think we're not even going to paint it while he's got it. He's just doing all the body work, and then I'll get it back and probably put that LS and that transmission in there, or put the 327 in, the factory one. Who knows what I'll do. So what do we have, 4 minutes? Always just a quick video. We got to clock the fuel pump. I do know that. I think we may have ordered a different one than I have, but either way, I know we had to clock it on mine that time. We got spark plugs. I ordered wires. I know I did. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, just when we got the Blueprint LS paid off, we go and we buy another one. But you know, it's hard with Summit doing like 12 months no interest. You can buy the motor and then pay on it, and then you ain't got no interest and it's done. I don't even know what's in there. Well, that's the paperwork. I think it was 508, 516 again. I have to put it in the front. Eddie may have pulled it out. Oh, here it is. Let's see. I can't do very good one-handed. So 518, or if you round it up, 519 and 507. So 507 horsepower and 518, 519 torque. Guess that's some gauges and stuff like that. Haven't done nothing to this, and we should have. Let's look at my radiator real quick. No, I guess it's the same. Yep. Well, then he won't have no problems with cooling. He'll be fine. I think the console was done. Maybe the console wasn't done in the 55 last time. So this is just the one that come out of my Camaro. We stuck in here to have cup holders. And then that box Daddy built, I think I made a video of it, I'm not sure. And then we took it down the road to a guy and he put that vinyl on it for I think 125 bucks is what we paid. So I think it looks pretty good. Just some old, that thin press board or whatever it was. And then covers all that up. Looks fine for what we need. We still got to get a rear end for the Camaro. I know Daddy put the drive shaft in, transmission in. I know I ordered gas lines. And then we'd already had maybe the brake lines ordered, I guess. So I don't know. But it's coming together. So there's an update on the 69 Camaro on Christmas Eve.